How to hard reset Vivo V70 Elite 5G.
Step 1. Press and hold power button plus volume up button and turn off your smartphone.
Step 2. Press and hold the power button plus the volume up button until you see the Vivo logo.
Step 3. Use volume down button and select recovery mode by pressing power button. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.